A surface.
Mhm.
If you see here, it is not having any interference, right? It is not having interference, so that it won't properly.
Uh-huh.
So just I am extrapolating this surface only on this side.
Mhm.
Trim option.
Mhm.
So this split, this is trim. So I got my C surface. So this should be my
Yeah.
doing on
C
join
surface.
C final.
Mhm.
What I have to do is I have to first I need to create the trim for this A surface. A and C.
Okay. Mhm.
So this is my A and then this is my C.
Mhm.
So without any issue, it is trimmed. Now it became a one single surface. Just I am joining this surface. Now what
Okay.
I'm going to do is I'm going to trim my B with this surface. So make sure that everywhere it is extended, then only without any error this trim will come.
Mhm.
I'm going to trim my joining. In trim, wherever you are clicking inside the surface means it will produce that particular surface. Remove the unwanted material at the bottom. So I want this inner
Okay.
surface. Just I'm clicking this inner B surface.
Produce single surface. Yeah.
So my AB final closed volume surface is created. Once again,
Yes.
renaming it as closed surface final. So we need to move into part body. So in part body, once again, we need to do the closed surface. So in any issue in your surface, it will throw some error. We have to rectify it. So if you check your part, will have the 2.5 mm everywhere. So this is how we need to create the B surface. So here after whatever the C surface or B surface features, we can create it on the tree by the help of Boolean operation like body concept method. We can follow the steps and we can create the features. Hello, Pawan?
So sorry.
No problem.
Yes, sir. I'm at my part time right now. So
Okay,
yeah.
okay, okay. No worry. So as of now, you understand, right?
Yes, yes,
You
I understood
understood,
it.
yeah, something you understood, right?
Yeah.
Just this is how we need to create the surface.
Mm-hmm. Using
See,
sweep, right?
yeah.
Sweep.
So with sweep, as of now, whatever we created in this area, it is not clearing in the tool. We should
Mm-hmm.
follow some other method for this one. So it is taking somewhat
Mm-hmm.
time. So that is why I stopped. Created as it
Mm-hmm.
is, but it material
Mm-hmm.
like if you create the tool and core and cavity, it will have some issue.
Uh-huh.
We'll try to rectify it in next class.
Yes, sir. Sure.
So I'll share this part with you because in previous part, whatever I shared, it won't have this full tree. It will have only that particular
Okay.
surface. You just
Mm-hmm.
go through it and try to redo it, like with adding
Okay.
some new geometrical set and all. If you
Mm-hmm.
retry it right, there you will find some issue. Definitely you will find some errors.
Mm-hmm.
You just follow the steps, like error where it will come is like some lines where whatever I have picked it, you maybe picked some other line for reference.
Okay.
That is why that
Mm-hmm.
error will come. You just
Mm-hmm.
cross check with that surface. If anything,
Mm-hmm.
any doubts, tomorrow we can discuss.
Yes, yes, sir.
Tomorrow we can connect at the same time, so that
Mm-hmm.
otherwise
Mm-hmm.
after some time also, evening also, okay for me. We can connect
Okay.
whenever you are free. We can connect on that.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, okay, Pawan. I'll share this
Thanks.
one through the mail. You just go through this part, and you will
Mm-hmm.
try with creating the surface. Otherwise, just whatever we did right, A surface, create
Mm-hmm.
the B surface, just to close
Mm-hmm.
it. How you understood? Just close the surface. No need to think
Yeah,
about
sure.
this tooling and all. Just explore with
Okay.
the blend and the sweep option.
Okay. Got it.
Just extend it and see it, because sweep itself it will take some time to
Mm-hmm.
get familiarized with it, so that
Yes,
it
sir.
will, yeah,
I'll try it.
yeah, sure, sure, Pawan. Yeah. Thank you, Pawan. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I'm so sorry about it.
No
I'm
problem, no
at my.
problem, Pawan. Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah, bye.